Prosun, Spoken English Class 13. Already I taught you the first part of the grammar, that is auxiliary. And this is the second part of the grammar, that is prepositions and articles. So first of all, prepositions. Let me tell you one thing, there is no certain rule and regulation to understand exactly what preposition is used with which parts of speech form, whatever the parts of speech, it is noun, verb and whatever it is. But it is not possible to understand exactly. So all of the teachers, I mean, you go to the teachers, a lot of teachers, so they say what? You have to go through newspaper, magazines and books, several books or comic books or whatever the books it is. So you can understand from there actually what preposition is used exactly. So definitely it is right that there is no any rules and regulation. So by these things, jodi ami eta bole, then if I finish this video, will you be happy? No. So let me tell you one thing. No need to be. I'm just going to give you a wonderful process that you can understand inside. There are a lot of prepositions. Most of you, maximum, these three prepositions are giving you confusion. What is that? In, at, and on. First of all, in, at, and on. Let me tell you one thing. Look, first of all, I am giving you the parts of day. Parts of day meaning what? Parts of day. A wonderful method I can give you right now. You don't have to memorize. You just remember what the circle, you can understand. What that? The parts of day is what? The day starts with dawn, right? Dawn. Dawn, morning, noon, afternoon, dusk, evening, and night. After that, midnight is also there. Midnight. So dawn. You start with at dawn. Then go alternatively. At dawn in morning. At noon in afternoon. At dusk in evening. At night in midnight. Again at dawn. Look, this is a circle. Right? Go through my writings, you can understand exactly. So let me tell you one thing, that this is a way, wonderful way, you can memorize these things, you can remember these things anytime. So right now I'm just going to give you at, in and on. Look, in is used actually with a lot of things like with year, with parts of day. With parts of day already I have given you. With year, with month, with season, meaning month meaning in November, in December, in 1920, in 1915, like this way, in year, with year, and with month, with season, in summer, in winter, in rainy season, like this way, with a big place, that means in Kolkata, in West Bengal, in Delhi, in India. But in a small town, village, that will be what? At Bankura, at Bardhaman, at Durgapur. But if it is comparison, then like in India, at West Bengal, in West Bengal, at Kolkata, in Kolkata, at Bhavanipur, in Bhavanipur, at TN Street. So you can use these things, and with the time also you can use what, that I will be in time, meaning whatever the time is given, before that I will be there. So I will be in time. In this way you can use at. At is used also with the parts of day as well as what? With a small place also, that I have already taught you. And at is used what? With a time, at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, at something like that. And with once, you can say at once, meaning right now, at this moment, at that moment, at this point, at that point. At airport also, with airport also you can say at any office, at office. So like this way you can use. On is used what? With a vacation, summer vacation, puja vacations, with occasion, birthday, marriage ceremony, whatever it is, anniversary, like this. Next, on with a date, on 25th, on 26th, and with day, on Monday, on Tuesday, like this way. So this is the thing exactly for the prepositions. And there are left lot of prepositions like by, to. Actually, those are very easy. I'll go to, meaning with the movement verb we have to use to. Okay, that means I'll go, I'll move to. So in this way you can use. Another chapter, there I will give you appropriate prepositions. And right now I want to give you by. by but. But is also as an exception. But is used as an exception. So all students were present, but Ravi means except Ravi, everybody was present. So here but is used as an exception. So but has got 2-3 meaning like this way, and but has another meaning also that you know, kintu is used, and there are a lot of uses for other prepositions also, but those are actually one or two single uses are available there, not more than that. So those you have to go through maximum. The more you read, the more you learn these things. Right now, article. Article, you know that actually article is called not exactly article. Actually, Bengali medium students or any other medium students are saying this is article. These medium students, they call it determiner. Determiner. Then you can understand exactly determiner is what. Article is what. What is that? You know, two types of. One is definite, another is indefinite. So definite is the, indefinite is a and an. So we know that very well. I think if you go through properly, you can understand the is used to specify something or determine something. So the group of the people are there, or okay, like this way you can use. And the a and an. A is used with the consonant and an is used with the vowel. You know, 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. So with these vowels actually you have to use an. And apart from this vowel, all other consonants, with that you have to use a. So there is one exceptional case. What is that? With a name, often actually in case of the name you cannot use a or an, but if specific, then you can use that things. So Saurav is calling you, Saurav is calling you, and Imtihaj is calling you. Like this way you can say. So in this way you can use these things. And you know that an European, this should be a European, not an European. A university. Like this way you have to use these things. There are some exceptional cases that you have to use. So this is the very short and small chapter, article and prepositions. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.